Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download TD bank statement or the transaction history of yours in the PDF form or in the CSV file. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for td.com. After that, click on the login button, provide your login credentials, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you do this on the home page, you just have to simply go to the statements and documents option that would be most probably in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to use the drop down menu to find and open your desired statement, so you can also view it in this particular image as well. After that, you just have to simply click on this download button in order to download it into the form of PDF. But if you want to download it in any other file, then you can even click on this printer icon and it will open the file that will look something like this. So from here you can easily download it. So thanks for watching this video. I see you next time.